If you lose an important data because of any reason, I will show you how to restore them easily with AI. When your data is suddenly lost, it's one of the worst things that may happen to you. And in order to be able to restore your data, you must know this information. First, stop using the drive. If you suspect data loss, stop using the drive to prevent overwriting. Second, create bootable media for more advanced recovery. Don't copy or paste anything from the drive you want to recover data from. If the data is overwriting, this means you won't be able to recover the data. So make sure to stop using the drive immediately to be able to recover your data. With the software that I'm going to show you today, you can recover your deleted photos, videos, audios, and so much more using the advanced AI. This software allows you to recover your deleted data easily with just one click. And the best feature of this software, it uses AI to recover and enhance the recovery process before you recover it. And this of course makes it really easy to get back the files you want to recover. Now I'm gonna show you how to download and install this software for free. First, go to the official website of the software, and as you see, this is it, RecoveryFox AI. This software promises not only to retrieve data but rescue it with AI reliability. With it, you can recover smarter with AI, use it to precisely identify every lost data fragment and rebuild them into complete files, perfect for different data loss scenarios, natively support a wide range of file types and drives to meet all your recovery needs. If you scroll down here, you will see more of the software features and how to use it. This software can quickly recover deleted, formatted, or lost data. It's an ultimate data recovery solution to retrieve lost or deleted photos, videos, audios, documents, and other files from your hard drive, USB, and other storage media. Here you can see the recommended actions to maximize the recovery success. So you have to make sure to stop using the affected device, disconnect from powerful physical damage, use trusted recovery software, save recovery data to a different drive, and the most important thing is to act fast. The sooner you follow these steps, the higher the recovery success rates. Now just go ahead and download it. RecoveryFox AI currently supports Windows only. Okay, go ahead and hit download. Okay, the software is now downloading. I've already downloaded it. Once you download it, go ahead and open it. Click yes, next, accept the agreement and click next, install, wait for the installation. And as you see, the software has been installed. Once you download and install the software, go ahead and open it. And as you see, this is the software and this is the main interface. The software is really easy and simple to use. I will quickly explain the software options. So here we have the location to recover data from. Here in quick access, you can quickly recover data from desktop or recycle bin. Just select the areas to be scanned for deleted files and folders. You can choose between hard drive, flash drive, memory card, or SSD. Once selecting the drive, just click start scan and that's it. In settings option here, you have more options to enable or change. You can choose among the following scan options to optimize the scan. Here you can enable skip empty space. This will skip scanning and writing disk space to improve scan efficiency. Here you can also enable or disable skim temporary files to skip scanning temporary files that only function when the system or software is running. Enable or disable skip contained files in archives to skip scanning contained files of archive files to improve scanning efficiency. And finally, enable or disable skip embedded subfiles. This option will skip scanning embedded content like images, videos, and attachments within files to improve scanning efficiency. Okay, this is all the settings we have. Now I will test RecoveryFox AI to recover my deleted data from my flash drive. So this is my flash drive. Click to start scanning. And as you see, quick scan completed. This was so fast. The software now will proceed with AI scan. For the quick scan, it's suitable for fast recovering recently lost files on the disk. With AI scan, it uses AI-powered data recovery to get back your data. It supports various complex scenarios. This will deeply scan, analyze, and restore the lost files. Even if the data is partially overwritten, it may be successfully recovered. However, AI scan results usually lose file name and path information. During AI scan, you can pause, stop at any time to preview or recover the results. The AI scan will take some time depending on the data you have, so you will need to wait. I will speed up the video. And boom, the scan has done. Here, as you can see, the quick scan found 23 files and the AI scan found over 7,000 files. You can now browse your files to get back your data. Also, you can browse your data by file type for easy search. As you see, there are a lot of my deleted data. The built-in preview window lets you check recoverable files including videos, audios, documents, photos, and web files before starting the recovery process, ensuring you retrieve the right one. Now I will recover some data, so I will recover some photos and videos. Click recover. Now here select which location to recover data to. Make sure to save the data on other drive. Don't save it on the drive you recover data from. I will save it here. Wait for it to finish recovering the data. And as you see, the data has been recovered. Now just go ahead and check the data you recovered. And as you see, this is my data. I will test it to see if it works or not. And as you see, it works. So this is RecoveryFox AI software. It's one of the best data recovery software for Windows. You can recover any lost files from laptop, HDD, SSD, USB drive, memory card, and so much more. With a proven 98% success rate, RecoveryFox AI uses advanced algorithms to recover lost or deleted files from photos and videos to critical documents and other file types quickly and accurately. So make sure to give it a try. You will find the download link below this video. And as always, if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a like, hit the subscribe button for more videos, and peace.